reflective practice.
Okay, just give me 2 seconds before we start. So, Shen, you're recording the screen. Who's recording Asha?
I think from the first presentation onwards, I was using the John Dewey's method approach of reflective practice, and I think it was going well with my method of studying, because it has the stages of observation, getting directed, and being in a taking a decision, and then going on to the action. And all through this, all through the process of this works for doing a journal article, I think in many stages I find myself in a liminality, or I got stuck in many ways. Maybe because due to my ignorance how to use for example, I doesn't know how to use the database, and I really got stuck when these all started to collect article. I really got stuck in between. So I started to observe myself. What's my problem? Why I am not getting the articles? Because all others are getting articles and I am not getting anything. So I consulted with my peers, and they told that they are using the database. Then I understood that I doesn't know how to use that. So again I went to my friends, and they teach me how to use the database. Then after using that, I began to get the articles. So I think all these 4 stages, that first I found that I doesn't know this thing. Then I get direction from my friends how to use that. Then it came to action. So in all the stages, when I find myself get stuck, I use this method of reflection. And the remaining steps, something what I wanted to add to this, what Abby and Ringo is telling. In my, I was doing the medical social work in India, and in my observation, I was not getting much articles on the medical social work in India, because most of the things are not researched yet. And I know personally, as I am coming from India, I know personally that in many positions or in many places, social workers are doing a good work, but it was not yet researched. So while I discussed that with the facilitator, she told me to consult with some educators or with organizations or with some other associations to know about the not researched parts of the medical social work in India. So that part was remaining still with me because of the time difference, and I am also busy with my studies and with my jobs and all. When I am free, that people there in India, the people will be very busy. So because of that, it will take some time to get the data. It was really pending. I just communicated with 1 or 2 people, but still I have to do something more. And also I think I had listed some themes which are different from Epi and Ringo, but still if the list of the theme has to be completed, I have to complete that part of my research. Then only I can complete that. And again, I think the use of reflective practice in future steps, that is more complicated, because so that it will need more observations and has to be get more focused, because some part of the research was so big and some part there is very little, so we has to be get balanced. So it has to be get really focused and get directed. So all this process has to be repeated again till the article was produced. And reflective evaluation of myself in a personal way and in a professional way. When we started this journey of journal article, we started it with lot of difficulties, because all 4 of us are from different ways with different styles of learning, and somebody likes to sit and learn alone. Somebody needs to come and study in the groups, and different set. When we want to work in a group, sometimes we have to come together, and maybe sometimes I'll be busy with my children when these people are joining. Otherwise Anisha can come, otherwise Ringo can come, and this caused many problems between us. And finally we put a WhatsApp group for this, and I think some communication problems also, misunderstanding, so many problems has gone. And when I reflect over this, I think that I find something like I find some of my limitations and my faults. The importance of, personally what I have gained is like importance of proper communication. Sometimes if I taken it gathered as she or he has understood what I said, maybe that will make a big misunderstanding. That's the most important thing what I learned from this. And the importance of teamwork. If I doesn't done my part of work, that will affect the whole team. And the importance of interdisciplinary practice. And I can tell proudly that I was studying with a big supportive group of people, because I was not at all getting help from not only from these people but from all the classmates. Not bothered about the disciplines for all things, even in my practice and in my personal way. All the students are helping me in a very what I don't know how to say, but I am getting so much of help from all those people. So I understood what interdisciplinary practice is in practice rather than in theory. And I know my limitations, and personally I improve my ability of understanding others also. And that helps me in my professional way. When the clients are coming to me, I can understand, because I know my limitations, my faults, where I lack things. When I understood that part, it helped me to be better with my clients. And personally I got self-improved in many ways and increased my confidence to deal with my clients and also to deal with the studies. And as a part of my personality, I think I learned to be I practice humility also, because most of the time I have to take help from others to learn how I can step forward. And also this improves my computer skills. Then for the reference, I haven't put the reference of the articles which I have taken for the themes, because I haven't explained that in the slide. But the reflection I have taken from Dr. Alexandra Hans, so I have put the reference only for that. Thank you so much.
Can I see your reference? Let's just put here.
Yeah.
Okay.
No questions, I think. Thank you so much.
Are we leading her off the hook that easily? Okay. So,